Hello everyone, how are you? Welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for watching my video daily. Make sure you subscribe my YouTube channel over here. I do video every day and every day is a new content. And turn on the notification bell so you know the video release time. Alright, today's videos we are going to do beauty box unboxing. And this company have a major upgrade now. You ready? Hello! It is Allure Beauty Box. Why did I say it's upgrade? This box, it's bigger. I wish I saved the old one, but this is at least quarter bigger than before. So that means the content is bigger. So let's open this up and see if this is worth the money. Allure Beauty Box is a monthly subscription beauty box and it's $23 a month. You receive 6 editor-approved product value over $100 and 3 of them are full size and the other are the deluxe or travel size or sample size. Alright, so let's go ahead and open the box right now. Oh my god, I'm sneezing right now. I hope I don't get sick. Okay, so one thing about Allure Beauty Box, I subscribed them for many years now. Their box is always exactly the same. Pretty small, but this stuff is not too bad. But now they are bigger, so that's pretty exciting. So let's open this up. Just like before, it's all red inside. Let's see. We know beauty the best. Oh. What? Okay, I'm excited already. You get Sunday Riley, but hold on, let's see what else is in here first, okay? You get a little booklet from Allure Beauty, and it tells you each product description, how to use, and the price. It's very nicely done. Booklet like this are expensive. They also offer you some discount discount coupons you can use. And there's some kind of special things that they have here. You can use for their special pricing. Okay, let me put my glasses on so I can show you guys what's all this. I am pretty excited about this. So they say you should receive 6 items. So let me count. Yeah, it is 6 items, and 3 are full size. Okay, I'm really excited about this. This is by Sunday Riley. So I've been using Sunday Riley for a while now. Not everything I love, but I do love some of the product in here. And this one is their Sunday Riley 5-star Retinol Niacinamide Eye Serum. Oh, that's good. Retail for $65. Whoa! Each product here, they give you special codes. So when you order online, you also get discount too. So this is Eye Serum, $65. Wow, that's really nice. And retinol and niacinamide together help to exfoliate the skin. So this is probably going to make your skin look brighter. And let's see the packaging. It's in the tube like this. Pretty nice. Ah, very nice. So how do you do this? Do you just squeeze? I guess you just squeeze. Oh, comes out. So you can just massage around the eye area. It has a very light scent. It's gel texture. You just need a little bit. It's pretty thick on the skin. And the applicator is supposed to be a cooling effect. It's just plastic though. So you're supposed to just put it around the eye, do it like that. So what does this do? Let's see. It's really to smooth your skin around the eye area. 5-star. Okay. Not bad. And once you apply, it's kind of become like a film, velvety film on the skin. I am very excited about this. I'm totally going to use this right away. Okay, so this one is by Christopher Robin. Hydrating Living Mist with Aloe Vera. Retail for $39. So it's a hair mist. Let's try it. Oh, it smells so good. It comes out really fine mist, so I like that. The smells is very nice. Don't put it on your face. It has a very light perfume in there, but it's not overpowering, so I think you'll like it. Plus, for the hair, you want it to smell good too. Okay, whoa, the next item. You ready? Rare Beauty Perfect Stroke Mascara Volume Universal. How much is the mascara? $20. Let's just try it. I have my mirror here. I feel like I can definitely use mascara. Oh wait, let me see if this is waterproof. It's not waterproof. It's to build the lengthening and volume. Okay, so the brush should be very thick. Ta-la! See, I was right. Anytime mascara need to give you that volume and lengthening, the brush is usually thicker. So let me get this closer to see myself. The only thing is, if it's not waterproof, it will smear under my eyes. Or my eyes are too small, so I don't really like big clump brushes like this. You can see I got this under my eyes, over my eyes already. But I can definitely see more volume, more lengthening does. The technique to give you more volume, instead just brush on straightly, you go zip like this way. So you'll build more fiber on the lashes. Oh, I got all over my eyes now. When I wear mascara, I do like to use skinny brushes, so it doesn't get all over my eyes. And just because the shade of my eyes is small, so not bad. Okay, so these are 3 full-size items. Now let's look at the travel size. So the next product, it is the sample product from Soliana MD. It's a healthy base layer vitamin D drench skin cream. Interesting name. So what is this? The rich whipped cream infused with vitamin D. The name is very deceiving. It says right there, healthy base layer. So you will think this is designed to use under your moisturizer, but it is not. What I mean is, because there's no sunblock, you can use the other treatment on top. That's what I mean by that. Put this right here. Oh, it is just a thick cream. It does feel like whipped cream a little bit. Well, not quite whipped cream, but it's pretty light. It has a very light scent, almost like a minty scent in there. Not bad. It's definitely a more moisturizing. It's good for dry skin. Whoa, retail for $54, but this is the travel size, so sample deluxe size. Next item, it's by Bliss Bright Idea Eyes holographic foil eye patches, and it says right here, one editor, you after use this, skip the concealer. Wow. So this two will be perfect. Use the eye mask first and put the serum on top. Very good. The last product here, it's by BoxyCharm. It's the almond shower gel. This is their travel size. I used this before. They smell wonderful. So yeah, it smells so good. So for $23, is this worth the money? Absolutely, absolutely. But again, you know, anytime you buy this tidy beauty box, you never know what you're gonna get, right? See, even though they give you 3 full-size items, but if you don't care for them, you're not gonna use them. It's wasting money. However, I would say if anything you don't use, put them aside. You can re-gift or you know, for different purpose. So it's not a bad idea at all. And they put a lot of message on the box. The start of something beautiful. Oh, I like that. And right here, we know beauty best because of Allure, right? So they give you information. So it's actually a really nice box. And I noticed that they're using more recycled box now. It's less shining. Everything's more matte finish. Before it's a very glossy looking box. Anyways, I definitely excited about Sunday Riley. And where's the other thing here? Oh, the Living Hair Condition mascara. I just had to be careful when I use this because it get into my eyes and my skin a little bit, you know. But other than that, it's not too bad. Alright, want to say thank you so much for watching my video today, and I will see you guys tomorrow. Bye.